Hey DIYers, today on Make Your Mark, we are dyeing paper and I'm going to show you 3 different ways to use it. Are you ready? Let's dye some paper. For this project, I used some book pages. You'll also need some spray bottles, small bowls, and water. I have tons of RIT dye, so I'm using that, but you could use watered down acrylic paint or even liquid watercolors, whatever you have. I'm adding dye and watering it down in a spray bottle. Lay out your paper and spray it with different colors. Go crazy with color and then let it dry. The history of dyed paper spans centuries, with early examples found in the Middle East and Asia as early as the Middle Ages. Initially, dyeing paper involved using natural dyes derived from plants and minerals. Pour a darker color of dye in a shallow bowl. Fold your paper, then soak it in some water for a second. Dip the folds in the dye solution. Try different folds and different color dyes. I like lighter colors when I spray the paper and darker, more intense colors when I fold it and dip it. Unfold while wet and let dry. Add more color with the spray bottle if you want to. I say the more color the better. If you want the colors to blend in with each other a little bit more, spray the paper with a bit more water. You can do all kinds of things with this paper, but why not cover an old lampshade or the frame of a boring mirror, or if you like to send happy mail, make some funky envelopes with stitched edges. Whatever you do with it, it's going to be wonderful. Let me know what you think in the comments and tell me what you think you might make with this beautiful paper. You can use almost any kind of paper for this project. Just make sure to moisten the paper with a little bit of water first so that it can soak in the dye. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.